Okay, here's what I put together this morning. I made this stator plate a couple weeks ago. It has 45 millimeter long ferrite cores, I think 4 millimeters thick. And in the previous one, I had the same cores, but I put pieces of florist wire, soft steel florist wire, all around, rimming the 45 millimeter long core. So I had like 12 pieces of laminate steel, soft steel, all around it. So it was like an interior ferrite and then a tube of laminate soft steel, you could call it. So I had a combination steel ferrite cores, but this does not have those. And when you go against these neodymiums, then it's going to be kind of too much latch with that steel. So these don't have the steel in them. And I don't have them great big fat coils. I have them coils about the size that are going to have the entire coil induced by the rotor magnets and the rotor magnets going past the cores. So I think this will be work better than that earlier one I made with the split motor coils on one side, generator on the other. These are bifilar coils, wound back and forth full length. So if I want to do a motor and a generator, I could either have the bifilar, one half of it pulsed motor and the other half is generator, or I could just have a couple coil positions of the 8 as motor and the rest as generator. But I want to see how it works purely as generator coils. And here's the rotor. It's going to go in here. I have to make bearing mounts for it. This is going to have 16 trigger magnets if I choose to have a Hall effect, either pulsing it out or pulsing it in or both. And these are all north. These are all facing north. And it's going to be north in, south in. It's going to be different than my last one. I'm trying all different rotor magnet configurations and coils and cores. Might as well. This is just making prototypes, research and development, I guess. But anyways, I could get good speed up under load and also no lens when I have all north. You know, I don't have north south. I do not have that. And I have about like this offset between this magnet and this magnet. And one would be generator, one would be motor. But also, if you just hook them in series, then it's just all generator. And so anyways, I'm going to have all generator coils here. It's my first testing. And I'll have a little offset. And I should have a no lens generator like this. And if I want to pulse DC into it, I can do that with these little timing. And I could also pulse the coils out at their peaks. I could be shorting the coils at the peaks too using these, but many possibilities. So see here, I'm going to have to shim that spacer in between a few millimeters more or less, and should have about 1.5 millimeter air gap. And so this is another one coming up. Dual rotor motor generator. They over at the workshop I have a rotoverter with everything on the shaft of the rotoverter. It's more difficult to get that all really good rather than make a separate generator. And that one's about ready to go. So there's that. Okay, thanks for watching.